Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders the session never end. We dey wash out with the go. Do you know that the Biafra people don't introduce the Biafra coin? Hey, in fact, a lot of people don't really have idea about it. But as I'm talking to you, the Biafra money don't ready. I don't really want to waste much of your time. I want you to listen and follow up. Make sure you watch the video to the end. Follow up step by step with the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Mazi Simon Ekpa, and you are going to get all the updates. See, my duty here is to keep you updated. When this money come out, a lot of people don't know about it, but here you are listening to it and seeing it real because a lot of people did not believe, but here we are. Not true. So listen to him and I'll be right back.
All right. I'm presenting to the government cabinet the specimen feature of the Biafra coin, which I am moving a motion for the adoption of this particular coin and let this coin be the official digital currency of Biafra with the sign of do you know what is it called? Our old money. What is it called?
CBD.
Yeah, but there is a name.
CBD.
There is a name for it.
No, I know the name.
Pence.
It was called Bafra pound during the first war.
They call it pence.
Last Biafra money can you I grab back the origin.
The sign.
It is called. It is called Manila. Okay. It is called Manila.
Manila.
Yes.
Manila, the Philippines.
No, Maniba.
Manila, the Philippines. It is called Manila. This sign, Rafael, can you show this on the screen as well? I'm sending it to you. Rafael, flash this in what I sent to you now on the screen, please.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Sir.
Yes.
You all remember it now?
Yes.
Yes, I know. I was thinking in CBD also.
The Igbo name is Ejima.
Ejema.
Yes.
Ejema. Yeah.
Ejema. Yes.
Ejema. Exactly.
Yes.
All right. So this is the money. This is Biafra money, old money of Biafra.
Yes.
Now we are having. Can you go back to the coin, please? Now, as you see, there is two lines on it, and this has become the, what is it called? Is it the denomination or something? What is it called? What is the sign of the money, like Naira, Euro?
Denomination.
Denomination.
It should be denomination.
All right, the Euro has two by the sea, but our own has these two across Manila. So that's where this sign. So this is the money of Biafra. So by the time we have our banknote, you are going to be seeing this sign as the Naira, like, of course, not Naira, like dollar. We cannot be using Naira to,
Never.
ourselves. So, as just like Euro is, this is our own denomination and how our money will be written. The Biafra money is this. And as you all know, this coin is going to be equal to $1.
Hallelujah.
This Biafra coin will be ready in 1 week time. them. We will
Yes,
force them
One
into
and
Biafra.
Papa Kiu. Oh, Guinea.
So
Who call them more? I do.
we will
Oh,
force
but
them
oh,
into
yeah. Is it that what?
Otimbu Wechia.
Oh,
Otimbu
Guinea.
Wechia.
Oh, Guinea.
Adande Munandegede.
Okay, for
Otimbu
I do.
Wechia.
Can you take a for you?
Otimbu Wechia.
Ebi na come now, ebi bara come now. You go.
Yeah, with people
I
to send
hear.
more water.
Please let me finish
Oh,
the
but oh, dear,
explanation.
when I can go, or this is when I come out with the body banya. And when we get in this historic moment, everlasting historic. Oh, but oh, dear, you could go there and go if you get an andomo. Oh, but oh, dear, you could go there and go na bunyani bunyilimu.
He said,
Oh, no,
A profit, the body body, the body Biafra.
ana chukwu goziele ndị ndị na-echala m anya wee wenye m elu wee sị m ụwa dara Biafra ya anụ ọnụ m Biafra ya anụ maka m na-abụ m ya abata history ọ bata obie chukwu goziele ndị
Yes, let me tell you another Rama. In Biafra land, we are not going to measure the ability, smartness, wisdom, skills by how outspoken you are.
yes.
Okay? We're not going to measure your intelligence, how outspoken you are in English. We're going to measure your smartness, your intelligence on what you can do. It is practical. That is what we are going to do in Biafra. So forget about how you speak English. Forget about whatever language you speak.
Oh, yes.
That's what is working in this country. So
start thinking.
that's what we do in Biafra. It is
People
going to
like
be
me can exist.
critical.
People like me can exist.
I want everybody to understand. I want everybody to understand that in Biafra land, we will live in future. What you are doing in your home, you are going to gain degrees with it. If you are good in cooking in your home, you have cooked for your children and your family for 15 years, you accumulate those years of cooking in your home, you will have a master's degree in cooking. That is the way it is. Experience is what we are going to use. So forget about all this, their nonsense, this and that. It is experience that works. That's what is happening in Finland here. So what you can do, and we are going to adopt that system. It is going to work for us. It's not coming to speak English.
Impression.
Thank you.
One of the time.
Our dignity
go ahead with your question, please. Because we have everybody, please. Everybody, please. We have not finished.
To say something. The name of this sign, and I'm asking, let us change it to what it used to be in the olden days.
Nobody is giving a name here. What we have here is Biafra Còin. It is when you go into details to start explaining the sign, you will talk about the name. But the English name is Manila. So, I am not the one who gave that name Manila. So, we are not explaining to Biafrans or to anybody that our money is Manila. Our money is not Manila. Our money remains Biafra Còin. And like you all know, we have adopted in the past dollars. So, because of what British have done, we may not be using pounds, but that is going to be for another day. We have discussed about this particular currency before. We've made dollar public. So we are going to vote on a different act establishing the Biafra currency denominations. So when that time comes, we will see what we are going to do. But for now, the cryptocurrency, under the cryptocurrency or digital currency, Biafra Còin has come to stay. And in that sense, one Biafra coin, it will be equal to $1.
Okay? That's correct.
And also remember that for us to maintain this standard, it requires investment. It requires that we put our money to make this particular coin stable. So we don't want to put it in a way that every time we'll be withdrawing the money and all that. This Biafra coin we are also going to put it into the
stock exchange.
The stock exchange. Thank you very much. So it is going to go into the stock exchange as soon as possible. So it is not something that we can be transacting with. So if you want to buy something, if you are, if you don't know how I don't know how the cryptocurrency work, for example, but because of this, I will open a cryptocurrency account in order to have Biafra coin. So everybody have to put one or two, things there and purchase this coin and leave it so that it will not be fluctuating up and down. So we have it stable. Our target is $1 to 1 Biafra coin.
Hallelujah.
And nothing less. So those who want to save their money can put their money on Biafra coin instead of having a naira that is falling every day. So, and then also donation, you can also make donation with the through the Biafra coin. It is going to be possible to make to purchase your this thing with your credit card or with PayPal, as the case may be. We are still working on that, and as soon as ready, that will be very easy. So you can make a donation through a Biafra coin, and the money becomes stable. The coin becomes stable as possible is what we are looking for. So here we go. I am now moving for a motion to adopt what you see on the screen as the Biafra coin of the digital currency coin of the United States of Biafra. If you are supporting that, yes.
Off camera now for a short time. My battery is too low, please.
Okay.
You see, this is the greatest day that our dignity as a people created is fully restored.
Yes.
With absolute no hesitation, it is my pleasure to accept and to second and adopt this once in a lifetime currency. I hereby second the motion to the glory of God and to the greater people of the United States of Biafra. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much.
And actually, this vote makes me the happiest. This gladdens my heart, that symbol that I just saw. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The link will be available in a few minutes' time so that you can go and vote for those who have spoken, Iwuze and Minister Jane. As soon as I post the link, you can go and vote. Reverend Ebenezer.
This is an exciting moment for every one of us. The best part of this is the fact that we will have, as soon as Biafra starts, we'll have investors out of the country, investors to come in to Biafra land and invest, because we have a currency that is worldwide, can be used anywhere in the world. That is great, and I'm for it 100%. And you guys that are outside United States of Biafra, that will come also and invest with this currency. It will be great for us to engage with our nation and build it as we need to build it to become the best nation in the world. I have supported.
Thank you very much. You will have the link very soon. Judith Sazowa.
It is a pleasure being a part of this historic movement. In short, I was blind for many years, but now I can see. So I'm voting yes with all full chest. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. As soon as the link is available, you will vote. Dr. Ruby.
Yes, my PM. Thanks so much for this day. I am voting yes for the establishment of this Biafran coin 5/24. This is everlasting, memorable moment for me. Thank you. I say yes.
Appreciate you, sir. I'm just as happy as Madam Hannah in the temple, the day Jesus was dedicated. She said, "My eyes have seen the salvation of the world. My eyes have seen the glory, the coming of Biafra." I say a big, fat yes. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Prime Minister, for the establishment of the approval, Act 0524, establishing the Biafran impeccable coins. I vote yes with 110%. Thank you.
Thank you. You can wait for the link. Dr. Joy.
Yes, thank you so much, Prime Minister. It's an honor to make this history together with you and the whole cabinet. So yes, I fully support the establishment and the approval of the Biafran coin, Act 05-2024.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Wait for the link. Opalenwe, go ahead.
My Prime Minister, I feel like saying it. Can I sing small, please?
No. There's no time for singing now, please.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I approve the establishment of a Biafran coin. 100% yes.
Thank you. Wait for the link. Your hands down. Go to one more. Go ahead.
Yes, I am fully in support for this very act and motion you made today, sir. It is a mind-blowing stuff for Biafrans to see we have a currency that equates dollar. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Wait for the link. James Adino, unmute yourself.
It's a big yes for me, my PM, a big yes for me.
All right. I will post the link now. Do not vote until you have spoken. Have you all seen the link?
Yes.
Do not vote. Do not click on it until you have spoken here. Professor Choma, go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Mine is absolutely yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. After Nwiboko, who spoke? After Nwiboko.
I think it's me, yeah? Joy Roby.
Yes. Yes, I think it was Joy.
After Nairobi, was it Erewa?
No, Erewa hasn't spoken.
No, Erewa has not
After
spoken.
Nairobi, who?
It's
It was,
me.
Professor Choma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Then after Paran with James. Right?
Yeah, after James, then Professor Choma, yeah.
After James is who?
Thank you, Professor Choma.
Yeah, Choma. And then Sylvanus, unmute yourself. Sorry, I got
Yes,
distracted.
it's not too much before.
It's not too much, yes, before, yeah.
Before who?
Before James.
Yeah, not James.
Can one person
Professor
answer?
Choma. Professor Choma. I spoke before Professor Choma.
Okay, so it after James you spoke?
Yeah, I think it's James.
Yes, I'm Sullivan Usoheriak. I support establishment of Biafra coins 054. Thank you, PM.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Benny, unmute yourself. And those who have spoken, go and vote. 13
Okay.
of you, go and vote. Benny, unmute yourself.
My Prime Minister, I vote in favor of Act 05 of 2024, establishing the Biafra digital coin. Thank you.
Thank you. You can go and vote. Praise, unmute yourself.
I support the act, PM. Thank you.
Thank you. Who is not enjoying this government?
Good question.
Who is not enjoying this parliament? Huh?
Nobody.
We are swimming in a champagne that is never here.
All right.
Very happy.
Defense Minister.
Yes, PM. Engineer Pocha votes yes. to the establishment of Biafra Coin, Act 04, 2024.
05.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.